Hiring a web designer can be a daunting task, and you might feel like you're completely at the mercy of their expertise. But what if we told you that there are some secrets your web designer might be keeping from you? From shortcuts to hidden costs, we've rounded up the top 10 secrets that web designers don't want you to know. So, let's dive in. Number 1. I'm using a website template. Your web designer might not tell you this, but many designers use pre-made templates to build websites quickly and efficiently. While templates can save time and money, they might not be your business's most unique or customized option. Number 2. I'm outsourcing your project. Your web designer might not be the one building your website. Many designers outsource their projects to freelancers or other design firms, so make sure to ask who will be working on your site. Number 3. I'm using stock images. Your designer might not want you to know that they're using stock images instead of custom photography. While stock images can save time and money, they might not accurately reflect your brand or business. Number 4. I'm not optimizing for search engines. Your web designer might not be optimizing your website for search engines, which could hurt your online visibility. Make sure to ask about SEO and keywords when discussing your website design. Number 5. I'm not testing your website on different devices. Your designer might not be testing your website on different devices, which could result in a poor user experience for your customers. Make sure your website is responsive and optimized for all devices. Number 6. I'm not including all costs upfront. Your designer might not be transparent about all the costs associated with your website, such as hosting fees or additional add-ons. Make sure to ask about any potential hidden costs upfront. Number 7. I'm not following accessibility guidelines. Your designer might not be following accessibility guidelines, which could make your website difficult for people with disabilities to use. Make sure your website is accessible to all users. Number 8. I'm not prioritizing website speed. Your designer might not be prioritizing website speed, which could result in a slow-loading website. A slow website can negatively impact user experience and search engine rankings. Number 9. I'm not providing ongoing maintenance and support. Your designer might not be providing ongoing maintenance and support for your website, which could result in potential security risks or technical issues. Make sure to ask about ongoing support options. Number 10. I'm not the only option for building a website. Your web designer might not want you to know that there are other options for building a website, such as DIY website builders or other design firms. Make sure to do your research before hiring a designer. While working with a web designer can be a great investment for your business, it's important to be aware of the potential secrets they might be keeping. By asking the right questions and doing your research, you can ensure that you're getting the best website design for your business. Remember, you're in control. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at ATG. Thanks for watching.